Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your dataset so formulas behave predictably. First, convert columns to the correct type, number, currency, or date, because calculations depend on type. Once done, remove blank rows and run trim on text to clear stray spaces. This avoids hidden errors. Next, split combined fields into separate columns where needed, so each variable has its own cell. These steps speed formula design and prevent type mismatches when you start building calculations. Now you construct the working formulas. Start with SUM and average for totals and means, then use COUNTIF and SUMIF to filter by condition. Make formulas COPPA-friendly by anchoring ranges with $. This preserves references when you drag cells. For column-wide logic, wrap in array formula to compute many rows at once. When you need lookups, prefer XLOOKUP or index plus match for flexibility. Use IF statements to handle exceptions. These techniques keep calculations efficient and scalable. Finish by validating outputs and making the sheet robust. Add conditional formatting and data validation to flag unexpected values so you see issues quickly. Create helper columns to break complex logic into readable steps. Once verified, hide them to keep the view clean. Make sure to wrap risky expressions with IFER to avoid hash and slash or hash div/0, breaking dashboards. If results look wrong, trace precedents and test with known sample cases. That isolates where
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.